Alright, part 4. Here we go. Let's see what we got. Oh gosh, there's a lot of dots. Zoom in.
Oh, look at that.
Dang, it's quite red. Oh no! I thought those. Oh, here we go. Explosions. Why are you scared? It's not scary. Thanks. It's fireworks. Shouldn't be scared. Everybody else ain't scared.
Okay, that must happen.
Hey.
You win on this.
It's a what? It's tiny. That thing is huge.
This is harder than me.
We'll take them to get the car.
Bam! I gotta live my whole lifestyle.
No more. You done? First time over here, you holler. You don't want to watch this.
He only seen it once. In his life.
Look at the boat.
Yep. See the lit up boat over there?
Ooh, my butt hurts, man. I feel like they're going into my butt. We may have another video to show. Whoa! Illuminati confirmed. I don't even know what the Illuminati is, but whatever, it's confirmed. Whew. This hurts, man. Uh-oh. Ooh. Dang. They're going crazy mode now. Okay, they're going crazy. Look at it. Oh, that don't feel comfortable. Oh my God. Illuminati just made an eyeball. Look. Eyeball confirmed. That don't feel good. Look like those candies coming right for you. Woo. Man, they got crazy just there. Oh gosh. They got those rocket things, whatever they got ready. I think they're done. Are they done?
Yep.
They want full crazy mode. What they done? That was some crazy crap. Wait, oh, they ain't done yet. I think they're not done yet. Hold on. Or are those some random people? Whew. Hold up. Whew. Man, my heart feels weird. Like, as that crazy one went, my heart went, it went. Whew. We done. That was some crazy crap. I'm surprised y'all can't see those ducks, man. There's like a whole bunch of them.
Stick tights on you.
What?
Actually.
Oh gosh. Oh god. Hey, at least we're saving the plants, you know.
Yeah.
Because they get them.
Yeah, I got them.
Okay. I know I'm forgetting.
I'm still recording. There's a couple more from random people.
Off the boat.
Plus, those random people. Time to head back home to I'm putting this on my YouTube channel too. Even if I do have 4 subscribers, still it's better. Oh yeah, too guys. Subscribe and watch my videos.